Hi guys, it's Mallory with Trendy Vintage Classic. I'm here at the Goodwill outlet, otherwise known as the Goodwill Bins, and I have not done a thrift with me video haul in a long time, so I'm super excited. I'm shopping with my sister. Say hi. Her store is Retro Boulevard. So we are about to go in now. I have my IKEA bag. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so we were walking into the bins, and it's always super exciting because you do not know what treasures you're going to find. Hey, someone else's trash is your treasure, right? So we had to find a clean cart. Gets a little messy and dirty in there. I had my Crocs on, which I love. They're super comfortable. Myself and my sister wore Crocs. And we are just ready to find what's for us. So the first section my sister goes to is video games, DVDs, electronics, stuff like that. I passed right by that because it's not really down my alley. I head straight for a full clothing bin that I can pick through. Please excuse the video being towards the floor. They don't really like you videotaping in there, but I did do my best. So I have one hand here holding the camera and another hand going through the clothing. That was a nice little light summer top or cover up actually that I end up throwing in my cart, and I ended up keeping that. I continue to go through. There were lots of heavy items. Seems that people had gotten rid of fall or winter items. Wasn't really too interested in it unless it was something like super expensive or vintage. Sometimes I find some good Levi jeans at the bins. Now this, I was trying to see if it was Under Armour, because Realtree with Under Armour is really sellable on eBay, but it wasn't, so I threw it back, and it was, a winter item, so I'm not really interested in storing too many items. There goes a new with tag women's Gap pants. Wouldn't normally pick up Gap, but since it's at the bins and it's new with tags, could sell that for about $25 to $30. So I throw it in the cart. Next, I'm just looking for anything that has bright colors. I do look at the velour or terry cloth items to see if there's any Juicy Couture, which I mentioned in my last video. Specifically searching for bathing suits, swim bottoms, trunks, cover-ups, light summer spring tops, dresses, sundresses, anything related to summer. There goes a pair of sunglasses. I did end up putting those back because they were a little scratched and there wasn't a brand on them. This looked like a very interesting vintage piece, but I decided to leave it. I'm trying to get away from the amount of items that I have to store. Those of you who are out there who are resellers know that it can be very overwhelming to store out of season items, and the button was broken, so yeah, there's lots of scrubs, but I will only pick up scrubs if they're figs, because they sell for decent money. Here's some more winter stuff, which I'm not really interested in unless it's a super great brand. Here goes a Torrid 3X. So I do throw it in my cart. I later inspect it and realize that it had a little damage to it, so I did put it back, but I will pick up Torrid in larger sizes. Here goes some men cargo pants, which are always great to find because they sell really well for me, and usually the male buyers don't give me a hard time or really send too many offers. They just buy them, at least in my experience. I was just checking for stains. when you go to the bins, you want to make sure the zippers, the buttons are on correctly, the zippers work, and that there's no stains. This looks like another fun summer print. I end up passing on that. There's just too many items from like Jones, New York. I could tell that that was a Kohl's clearance sticker, so I pass on that. Oh, I find a Tom's shoe, and I was hopeful that I would find the other one. And I thoroughly went through the shoe bin looking and even asked an employee for help. Well, she offered, which was very nice. But sadly, I had to put the shoe back because I could not find its pair, so its partner, which was sad. Here looks like some, I'm looking for linen type of lagging look type of pants because those are really popular right now. Loose fitting, breathable, airy type of pants for women are really trending, and in your description you can put lagging look, and a lot of times in linen, and a lot of times you'll get a lot of attention that way, especially in larger sizes. There's a lot of kids items, which I do not normally pick up unless it's special. There was a little Superman cape. There goes a bathing suit, which I got really excited about, but then I checked it, and especially the important area, and it was, yeah, it was like coming apart. So I had to leave that. You do not want your bathing suit coming apart. A lot of black, that's just too dark for right now. We really want to lighten things up. I like to grab hats at the bin because they're super cheap, but I do end up putting that hat back. Those pants look kind of interesting because they are linen. But after further inspection, I had to put them back. So as you can see, the final amount I paid per item was 71 cents. That was 53 items divided by $37.65 at $1.18 a pound. What a wonderful trip. Hi guys, it's Mallory, and my eBay store is called Trendy Vintage Classic. And for those of you who don't know me, thank you so much for tuning in for the first time. I am a full-time reseller. I sell mainly on eBay and now Marketplace, and I'm checking out a couple other platforms. And I sell mainly clothing, shoes, and accessories. And thank you if you tuned in for my Goodwill Bins outlet trip. I found amazing things as I showed you all, but I'm going to highlight a few items that you didn't get to see in the video. I won't do them all because, as you know, I got many items, 53 items to be exact. But I am going to show you a few items that were pretty cool that you did not get to see. So without further ado, I'm going to start off with this Juicy Couture. And if you've been following me, you know that I love to find Juicy Couture. It is a cut-off hoodie. Sherpa is very in, and it has the Juicy label right here. This is a great teen or young adult style. My daughter will probably try to steal it, but this honestly is super cute. The arms actually like flare out. So this was a really cool find. I know that since I've been selling the used pants, track pants, for on average of about 30, this will probably sell for about 35. It's kind of rare, so that was a really exciting find. Two other items that I didn't expect to find and I did find were these couch throw blankets. And this first one here has a scripture on it, as you can see, and it's just a very comforting type of thing to have in your living room on your couch, saying, I will say of the Lord, He is my strength and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Psalm 91:12. And the artist here is Thomas Kincaid. Here, let me show you better. And for those of you who don't know Thomas Kincaid, he is a very established, well-known artist. He has a lot of scenery type of images, and this is nostalgic for me because my mother used to have these for our couches. So I did search comps on these, and throw blankets from Thomas Kincaid with scriptures and nice scenery can go from in between $30 to $70 depending on what it is. So I was really excited about that. And to go along with that, I found a very nice Christmas one. And I'm wondering if these came from the same Goodwill or what the story is. But this one is super, super cute. And it says love, joy, and it will definitely bring someone a lot of hope during the Christmas season. Very nice messages. It's beautifully embroidered, and there's not a stain on here. This can easily sell for $40 as well. So to think that I paid 71 cents for them on average, as I showed you in my math ahead of time. This is one of my favorite finds. It is a Vintage Express, and you guys know I love vintage denim or jean jackets. I remember when the crop jean was in style when I was in high school. I know I don't look as old as I am, but I remember having things like this, and now they're back in style, the crop jackets. So this is definitely from, I would say, early 2000s. And it's just really neat. It has these really cute buttons, and this is a really cool find. I love it. So yeah, a nice denim jacket. I got some items that were new with tags. Nothing super crazy, no like super expensive or high-end brands, but you know, plus size, Catherine Suprema collection. It's always great to get plus size. And to think like this would have been $6.99 at a Goodwill, and I didn't pay that for it, and it's new with tag. So I got a new with tag item for 71 cents. And yeah, I'm not really sure of the brand, but I do know that plus size comfort sells really well, and it has like this nice spring nautical look going for it. So I did pick this up based on style, and I'm sure it will sell. This next one, Jean Pierre, this like crocheted type of top. You guys know my favorite color is coral, anything to do with orange. And this is just very neat. I did inspect it very carefully. None of these crocheted holes have any wear to them. They're intact, so that is really cool. I also got a couple pairs of men's shorts, and guys, finding men's cargo shorts are really cool, especially if they're sturdy, great condition. They sell really quickly for me. This is Gap khaki shorts, size 36. Just, you know, always in demand. This is a staple item for a men's wardrobe over the summer. And the other pair is American Eagle, and believe it or not, American Eagle is doing really well on eBay. Not for a ton, but especially for the bins, and this is a bigger size. This is a 40, guys, so that's great. And this is that rugged type of cargo pant, a little longer. You guys know the newer style with the younger people are the shorter type of shorts for men, but some guys still want that basic, rugged, longer cargo short. Like my dad, he will not wear any of the new styles. And along with that, I have a couple polo shirts, which is always great. Can never go wrong with a basic polo shirt when you get it at a really good price. This one's a men's. Sorry for the glare. And I love like men's t-shirts, so I could see myself wearing this with some biker shorts. it'll be interesting to see what I want to keep. But no, I can't keep anything because that'll cut into my profit. So this is a really special find. I'm not exactly sure what time period it's from, but you know, Looney Tunes, Tasmanian Devil, especially, he's very popular. And yeah, I'm not sure what time frame it's from though. And I also got some flannels, which I love picking up at the bins because they're so lightweight. Land's Ends, nice color. This is long sleeve, but it's lightweight. I also found a short sleeve one. Land's End is just a very trusted quality. I don't have to tell you that. So this was super lightweight. This is a great summer one. I also picked up another women's plus size item. I just love finding women's plus size. This is Land's End, also great quality. And this is like one of those long type of pullover, half button tops, plus size women items. So wonderful for me. And this is so great for the springtime. I also showed this in the Thrift with Me video. This is like a little zipper bag. I think I said it was Pier 1, but it's actually Pottery Barn. Pier 1 and Pottery Barn items are just so cool. And this one, it's like a little zip bag. I have to look up comps, but it's a nice little summer type of bag. And some new with tag items that is always wonderful to find at the bins is Gap. I wouldn't normally pick up Gap, but this is a larger size, 14, and it's a sexy curvy fit with like a boot cut bottom, and it is new with tag. And another Gap new with tag item is a woman's like looser type of fit, straight leg khaki item. This is a size 12, another larger item, another larger size. And it's a nice, look, no pockets in the back, but the front pockets. I think this is a very nice pair of pants for the spring. And I also found a couple of vintage pillowcases. This really reminds me of my childhood. Let's see. Yeah, I found a Jordan. Jordan is always a great brand to pick up. Zip up, Sherpa, fleece. And I love to find swimwear. I found, this is the stuff that I have cleaned, washed, dried, you know, just to keep everything clean and disinfected. So these are the only items I have up here. These are some swim shorts, but I did find a complete black high cut sexy bathing suit for women, and it was a larger size, about a size 12. I found, about 10 or 12 type of polyester type of really light cover-ups and top. All right, guys, my phone is running out of storage. I have to do something about that, but I want to say thank you for watching and didn't want to leave out my shoes. These are Atrex, and they sell for about $30 to $40. Any comfort women's shoes with that great heel is awesome. And also these nice classic black pumps. They are Ivanka Trump, sell for around that same price point. So I hope that encourages you to get out and go to the bins, make the trip, and let me know in the comments below how much you pay per pound for your items and what are your favorite finds from the bins. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video on Facebook Marketplace.